Good day, guys. It's your one and only Peace72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also please like the video and hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next one. So, guys, today I will just update you about the selling opportunities that I saw on the previous video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. If you didn't watch the previous video, I would advise you to go and watch that previous video, guys. So as you can all see, guys, I'm on 4-hour time frame, and I said I am looking for selling opportunities to this golden zone. So those selling opportunities were valid for me to take them once the market came and tapped into my golden zone and took those selling opportunities. But as I always say, don't enter without any confirmation. So the market around the New York session just decided to push to the top side and liquidate everyone that entered on the resistance. And also, if you would be vigilant enough to see, you would see that there is a double top there. That was one of the things that made the market to push to the downside. So yeah, so this golden zone, unfortunately, it was not respected. Instead, price came to respect this zone that was identified on my weekly chart. Then I guess this is how Nasdaq went. So today's business will be about US30, guys. So on US30, as you all know me, I always start on my weekly chart. So on my weekly chart, I always identify my zones which act as support and resistance. So let me just zoom in to make things easier. So on this weekly chart, what will I be doing? I'll just identify my lowest point and also identify my highest point. And then what will I be doing again? I'll just be focusing on what's inside this rectangle. So whatever that's inside this rectangle, I'll be applying my zones that act as my support and resistance. So I'll also use my special tool that helps me to identify my zones that act as my support and resistance. So yeah, I'll just use this tool to identify my support and resistance, guys. So as you saw on the previous video, that these zones are being respected. And also, guys, one thing I would tell you is don't trade just on any time. Please look forward to trade on any session that is very volatile, such as London session, also New York session. So as you can all see, guys, that price is currently on my resistance, and it's within this resistance and support. So it's either I'll be waiting for the price to break to go to the top side, or I'll just wait for the market to come to the downside and break this support and turn it into a resistance. So yeah, I'll just come back when I'm done applying all the zones on my chart, guys. Thank you. So guys, as you can all see, I'm back, done also identifying these zones. And what will I be doing on my chart? I will just identify my current resistance using this box, and also use my box and my rectangle to identify my current support. So since now I'm done identifying my current support and resistance, I'll just move back to my daily time frame to see the market structure. So as you can all see, we are on an uptrend, and as you can also see that these zones are being respected, as you can see on my chart. Then what will I be doing? I'll just see if there is a possible trend that I can identify. Okay, I'm seeing the first, second, and third touch, and then also I'll be identifying another trend that's possible for me to identify from. Okay, let me just do that. So as you can all see that I have another trend there. Okay, so let me just see if I could find a trend inside a trend. Okay, no, it's not really valid for me to do that. So as you can all see, guys, let me just minimize this to be a little small. So as you can all see, guys, that the market or the price is still on my resistance, heading to my support there. So what am I thinking is that I'll just wait for the market to come to the support and just give me a confirmation to the top side. This is what I'll be looking forward to. But then if the market just decides to break this support and turn it into a resistance, I know that I'll be coming to this support here to the downside. So let me just scale back to my 4-hour time frame. So on my 4-hour time frame, I can see that the market has closed below the resistance. So meaning now I can be able to find those selling opportunities to the downside. Let me just fix this, guys. Sorry about that. So let me just also see if there is a possible trend that I can be able to find. Okay, so as you can all see here, I think there's a trend. There is a trend there. Okay, there's a trend there. Beautiful. And also I think there is also a trend there. There is a trend there. There is a trend there that was broken, but the 90% was not respected. Instead, just price just came back to retest. And also there is another one to the downside. So what am I looking for? Let me just zoom in. So what am I looking for is the market to break this trend here. So let me just connect this trend from there. So 2 points connect a trend line, guys. 2 points connect a trend line, and also I would advise you to draw your trend on top of your wicks. So yeah, so as you can now see that the trend was broken and then price just came back to retest there. So since price came back to retest, selling opportunities were supposed to be taken from this top there to the downside there on that support, and your stop loss should just be above your resistance. So yeah, this is what was supposed to be happening. I guess the market just left me. So what am I looking for now? I will just go to my 1 hour time frame to see any possible entry point that might help me to get into. Okay, so since the market is still below my resistance, I will just use my tool from this high there to that low there. So as you can also see, guys, that my golden zone was respected. So my golden zone was respected. Price came and retested on this golden zone, and price just dropped to the downside. Understand? So what am I looking for now? I'll just be looking for another second entry that's possible for me to find out from that high to that low. And again price left me because price came and tapped into my golden zone and sold off. So meaning there is no possible entry for me to get into to catch those selling opportunities to that support down there. So what am I doing now? I'll just move to my smaller time frame, which is my 30-minute, to see if there can be another possible entry point for me to be able to catch those selling opportunities. So I'll just connect the 2 from the high to this low there. So I can see that now the price is heading to my golden zone. So what will I be looking for? I'll just be looking for price to come tap into the golden zone there. Once price comes to tap into this golden zone, now I know that I'll be looking to take those selling opportunities to the downside because 2 trades has already left me. So let me just fix this golden zone. Okay, then let me just also put this there and also put that there to the downside. But then my first TP, I think my first TP will just be there at the current moment. So let me just do that. My first TP will be there. Then if price breaks this straight line, I'll be looking forward to add more trades to the downside to this support here, and then my stop loss will just be above, a little bit above this golden zone there. So this is what I'm looking for on USDT. So guys, as you can all see, what I can tell you is that I won't enter without any confirmation. So what am I looking for? I will be looking for the price to come tap into my golden zone. As soon as it gives me a confirmation on my 5-minute chart time frame, I'll be entering those selling opportunities to this low here. And once price breaks this low and comes back to retest at some point, I'll just be using my tool to find another entry point on my golden zone to this downside there. That's what I will be looking for on my index USDT. So I'll just go back to my 1 hour chart. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking for. Once price comes to step into my golden zone, I'll be taking those selling opportunities to the downside. So as you can all see, guys, this is your mentor, BSLEC72. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell and comment below on what are your thoughts about this video, and also share the channel with your friends or your trading friends. As you all know me, one love, peace. Thanks guys for watching the video.